Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device with the Android 14, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster if your device has the Android 14 on the board too. So, firstly, you need to remember the one rule. Never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. So, open settings, scroll down, and as you can see here you will have the storage. And as you can see, I have used only 11% of my storage. If you will fill up to 70, it means that you need to free up your device, free up your storage. You need to remove old apps, old games you are not playing. You need to remove old photos and move it to the cloud storage, because when you filling up your internal storage over the 70%, your device are starting to slowing down. So here are the winners, is ones who invest in device with more internal storage. And the second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So if you have no too much RAM to your device work property, so your device will start to slowing down too. So here again, the winners is one who invests in device with more temporary memory, so temporary storage, RAM memory. But on some devices, sometimes we have the opportunity to extend our RAM. So we can extend RAM in new Xiaomi devices, in Realme devices, even in Samsung devices, and maybe in Vivo devices. But unfortunately we can't do it in Pixel or other devices with the clear Android, like Nokia for example. And of course, the last aspect is the harmful and old files, trash files, so junk files. So all devices have these files, and to clean it, we need to open the Files application. It's pre-installed app on every Android device, and click Clean. And here you will see the junk file window, and click Clean, Clear. That's great. That's it. So, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.